Right. Okay, so then you walk into the lanai, and you have a little air conditioner in here. You have sliding windows, so you can let more light in. Air conditioner, a little bar built into the wall, some kind of mesh-like lights. That walks you into the main part of the house. Now, this wall over here where the primal party thing is, there's actually a giant window behind that wall that goes into the living room. And then there's another giant window here that's also being covered by some wood that looks like it probably could be ripped out. We would have to take a look at what's attached to it, but it doesn't look like it's attached to anything. It's just up there. And then they've put in this metal ceiling to make it a tiki bar feel. Big fan. And a bar area with some sort of, just a cooler built in and some shelving. And this table. But these windows do slide open and bring in some light.